In this film, we're going to take a look at the AXT25TC Quiet Shredder from Bosch. The Quiet Shredder's wheels make transportation around your garden effortless and easy. When you turn the shredder on, the blades on the cutting unit will need to be adjusted. This can be done by using the black adjustment knob. You'll know when you've adjusted the blades correctly when you can see aluminium shavings in the collection box. The shredder's fast-feeding hopper and turbine cut systems make it perfect for shredding both greenery and hard wood. It guarantees an extremely fast material throughput of up to 230 kg per hour and has a 45mm cutting capacity. The shredded material is perfect for composting and after used as a natural fertiliser. In the unlikely event of a blockage, simply press the yellow reverse button on the cutting device. For enhanced safety, the Quiet Shredder has an automatic shutdown system, which turns it off immediately when the hopper or collection box are removed. When you've finished shredding, the removable hopper fits into the large collection box, making the AXT25TC just 67 cm tall, ideal for easy storage. Now, go ahead and enjoy the AXT25TC Quiet Shredder from Bosch.